Hey guys, welcome to Corporate. So in this video, we will be learning about more advanced aspects of the auto layout, even more than that we discussed in our last video. So we will be discussing everything that we left in our last video, which is when we click on the three dot icons, which are advanced layout settings, as it also shows in the tooltip. And the very first option is spacing mode. So currently we have given a fixed width of 260 pixels to our button, and our spacing mode is I'm so sorry, and our current spacing mode is currently packed. Now, what does packed mean? Packed means that whatever gap that we give in this option, which is spacing between items, it will remain here. Which means we currently have it between both our items a 16 pixel gap. But when we go to our advanced layout settings and then we change our spacing mode from packed to space between, just see very carefully what it does. Now, when I choose space between, it changed our space to as much space at it added as much space between the items as the width of the button allowed, except the padding. So the padding remained here, like exactly as defined, which is 32 pixel horizontal padding and 18 pixel vertical padding, and 32 on the left side as well. So it gave whatever space it could give between as much space it could give between the items. Now, if I change it again to packed, it becomes the same yet again. Now it takes the spacing between the items 16 pixel as we define, but after changing the space between, it changes to as much space as it can give. So that is what the first option does. So let me do it another way also. Let me first change it to packed, and then let me give it a vertical direction. You see, we still have a 16 pixel gap. Now we will have to increase our height of the button to show it more clearly. Now you see there is 16 pixel of gap between both these items. But if we want to give as much space as we can have between items, then we will have to choose this option, which is spacing mode, space between. You see, it gave now as much space as it could give, which is auto. You see, here also the 16 pixel gap changed to auto automatically. Now you see we still have about 16 pixels of padding here and 16 pixels of padding here, but the gap is auto, which is as much space as it should be between the items. So that is what it does. Now you see these three more options become like earlier when we had all this button text horizontal line. You see there are nine total options, right, for the intricate alignments options. Now when we have a vertical direction, we have only three, which is as I hover over it, left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Now, currently, both of these items are left aligned. So you can also align it at center and at the right. So that is what all of these three options are. So always remember when you have this horizontally aligned, you have nine options. But when you have vertically aligned, you have only three options only: left, center, and align. So I'll keep it at left, and in the next video we'll be talking about strokes. So what are the strokes, included and excluded from layouts? Thank you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to request any particular video, I'm very open to it because I love you. So thank you and bye. And do like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos that will be coming in the next video. So thank you. Bye.